Hi, I'm Danielle and this is Bill, and we are Atera's technical onboarding managers. We work to help our clients smoothly onboard to the Atera platform. We're here today to share with you some of our favorite tips when we are onboarding new clients. Today, we want to start with some very basic foundations to get started with the platform. One thing I highly recommend before deploying the Atera agents is to make sure that you set up your sites and folders. This will save you lots of time and effort when deploying the agent because you'll be able to assign the new agents to a site and a folder automatically. And also, those new agents will inherit all the automations and thresholds that the sites and folders have. Another great tip I have for you is if you'd like to assign automation profiles or threshold profiles, but not on a site level or a folder level, you can easily use the filters and the advanced filters on the devices page. Select the devices and assign the relevant profiles. You can also easily see which profiles are assigned to your devices by clicking on the device name, scrolling to the bottom of the page, and that's where you'll see your profiles. So, Bill, what are some few tips that you'd like to show when you're onboarding a new client?
First off, great tips, Danielle. When I start working with a new client, I like to make sure they understand the many resources that Atera has for them. I point out the Help and Resources question mark in the upper right-hand corner. Here they can find anything and everything they will need for using the system and the team members that can help them. From here, you can access the Help Center for KB articles, webinars, and many other resources. You can access the community space to share ideas and experiences with other Atera users. You can see the product updates, share ideas and feedback, and even make feature requests. You can also schedule time with your customer success manager, get on a live chat with our amazing 24/7 support, and even reach out to Gil, our CEO. Finally, you can use the AI assistant for those times you hit a roadblock and need some answers. I want to pick up on something that you said and even go a little bit deeper. I think one of the other places I like to point out during the onboarding process is to really take advantage of the filters and views. Organizing the filters and then saving them as view saves a great deal of time organizing information to make managing devices so much easier. For example, in devices, you can filter on OS edition, IP addresses, both LAN and WAN, hard disk model, office version, installed patches, battery health, storage, and really any other field that you may have created to help monitor the device and manage assets. Once you set the filter, then you can save the view either for your whole team or for your own view. Hope these tips really helped.
And see you next time.